Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Umidigi Z2. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $328. Now it comes in two colors, Twilight and Twilight Black. Alright, so let's check this one out. Shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. Here we go, Umidigi Z2. Let's go through the specs. For the CPU, you got the Helio P23, that's 5.1 gigahertz. It's running Android 8.1 Optimus Prime, fresh out of the box. Now you get 6 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs worth of storage. It does feature dual SIM slots, or one SIM and a micro SD card slot for expandable memory. Now for the battery, it's 3,850 milliamps. The display, 6.2 inches, full HD. That's 1080 by 2246. For the camera, on the rear, you got a dual setup, 16 megapixels and 8 megapixels. On the front, you also got a dual setup, 16 megapixels and 8 megapixels. For the networks, GSM, WCDMA, and CDMA. All right, so all of that for $330. Let's see what it is. Inside, let's see what you get. Thanks for purchasing. Plug it and file it. Here's your device. Let's get this plastic off. Matter of fact, oh, look at this. All right, I was about to say, it has a case already installed. Okay, plastic. Rah. One more for the front. Rah. Woo, now check this out. This is the Twilight Black version. Let me get a wipe down for the dramatic effect. This is kind of beautiful right here. You see that purplish hue to it? Definitely feeling that. Let's see what else you get. Okay, usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. There's your SIM ejection tool. Save that. Okay. USB Type-C charging cable, red in color. Let's just see what it looks like. Very one plushish. International charger. File that to the trash. No headphone jack. So there's your USB Type-C dongle. And that's pretty much it. And here's your case. Now let me wipe this down. The case has a leatherish look to it. Let's do a smell test. Smells like velvet. Why not? Back to the phone. Check this out. $330 for this, basically. On the back, there's your fingerprint sensor, dual camera setup, LED flash. On the bottom, you got dual speaker grills. It's probably only one speaker, but we'll put it to the test. USB Type-C. There's your power button. Let's hit that. Got volume up and down, dual cameras on the front. There's your SIM tray, fallback Zerks. On the top, just got a mic. Now there's a fingerprint magnet. Let's get another wipe down. Whew. Beautiful. All right, let me pause the video. I'll drop my information in, then we'll breeze through the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just put my information in the phone. I've been playing around with it for a few minutes, and I got to be honest with y'all. So far, this is the best Umidigi phone that I used yet. Now, up until today, I would have gave that title to the S2. But so far, I'm liking the Z2 a little bit better because it has more features. First things first, build quality. Y'all know I got to say it. Feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. I'm feeling that Twilight color. You see the black and purple shimmeriness? I like that. Now, compare this to the S2. Which one looks more modern? The Z2, glass back status. Now, of course, there's no wireless charge. It's not water resistant, but it's $330. It is what it is. Now, there's a couple of different ways to open the phone. You got your fingerprint sensor. Let's power this up. All right, too many attempts. All right, we're trying it. Let me just open this up. All right, fingerprint sensor. Works nice and fast. You also got facial unlock. See how fast that is? And of course, you can just slide up and use your pattern or your pin. Now, let's breeze through the settings. Oh, one thing I got to talk about first, the elephant in the room. That's nacho cheese. Shout out to the Notch gang. Notch back in the building. But it is what it is. This phone kind of looks like a Huawei P20 Pro. Kind of like an iPhone. It is what it is. White Shoes, what you think about that notch? That's nacho cheese. I know. All right, so let's go through the toggles first. You got your basic Bluetooth, flashlight, auto rotate, battery saver, mobile data, location, airplane mode, and you can rearrange these. Let's take it over to the settings. All right, so network and internet. Now, one thing I will mention, no NFC. All right, no NFC on deck. Let's see, shoes, chill. Let's see, connected devices. You got Bluetooth, CAS, printing, and USB. Apps and notifications. All right, we don't got to go through that. Smart Assistant. You got Power Saving Manager. Let's activate that. Okay, you can do that if you want. You got Hall Monitor. This is for your S-View case. Buttons. Now, I already changed that. If you want, you can change the bottom layout. I like to have my back button on the left. Switch that up at your leisure. I know. Flip to mute. We'll leave that on. Mute incoming calls, mute alarms, mute musics. I mute musics. So if you got more than one music playing at a time, you can mute all of them. I like that. All right, sweet. This is your barcode scanner. Keep it moving. Let's see what else we got. Let's go to our battery. Now, 3,850 milliamp battery. This should be good for all day. And you got power saving mode. Let's go to display. You got adaptive brightness. Of course, I got this on max brightness. The viewing angles are pretty good. Not the brightest phone in the world. And I'm not the brightest guy in the world. I know. I got the giggles today. All right, let's see what else we got. Storage. All right, so we got 8.57 gigs out of 64. That's not bad. You could free up space. 64 gigs on deck. You do have a micro SD card slot for expandable memory. You got Dora Speed. Activate that if you're into gaming. It'll shut down the apps in the background. Keep that speed up. Let's see, screen lock and location. You got Smart Lock. All right, that's always good to have. You got your facial unlock. I already set that up, but I'll show you what it looks like. Unlock the screen, enable face recognition when it's lit. Activate screen fill in the dark, vibration alert to let you know if it didn't register. You got all your fingerprints, accessibility, Google services, language, backup time, all that good stuff. Android 8.1 Optimus Prime. Let's take it over to the camera. All right, let's do a quick point and shoot. All right, Zerx is sleeping. Check this out. Now, the camera's actually pretty good. I did a test shot earlier. This is with the portrait mode. Can't really see it, but you can adjust the bokeh effect. I know. You can adjust that if you want. Let's go through all the camera settings. All right, so you got anti-shake. Now, if you like me, you just came from the gym and you got the shaky hands, you're going to need that. You got your selfie timer. Picture size, let's see what the max is. 16 megapixels. White balance, auto flicker. Basic stuff. All right, so you got different modes. You got video. You got picture. Panorama, and bokeh, the portrait mode. Let's try a quick portrait mode shot. See if we could get one. All right, here it goes. Let's see how that came out. Now, if you notice, the background is a little bit blurred out. Not the best in the world, but it's pretty good. I would say this is the best camera that I've seen on an Ume phone yet. All right, let's take it over to the web. Let's see the web speeds. Let's go to our usual test, apple.com. Okay, there's your load up time, all the pictures. Now, people always ask me, why do I go to apple.com? Apple.com, this is a heavy website. So if you got a phone that's trash, it's going to take a long time to load up this website. Now, you see how I just loaded that up? Go to one of my OnePlus videos or the Galaxy Note 9 video and watch the difference. But this one wasn't bad at all. Let's go to YouTube. We'll check out the display and we'll also check out the speakers. All right, so first we'll pull up Bike Life. This way we can check the speakers. There's your display. One speaker on the bottom. Listen to this. Speaker actually sounds good. Let's pull up another video. This way we can get some actual video on deck. Let's see what we got. All right, so we got a little gameplay footage from the last stream. There's your viewing angles. Picture quality looks good. Alright, so let's exit out of that. Now, of course, you got your picture-in-picture. This is Android Optimus Prime. So far, fresh out of the box, I'm feeling this phone. $330. The price is right. Now, it is missing a lot of stuff. We're not going to get into all of that stuff because you don't expect a phone at this price point to have wireless charge. You don't expect it to be water resistant. You know, you don't expect all of the latest and greatest. But look-wise, I'm definitely feeling the look. So far, it seems pretty fast. Haven't had any lag yet. No app drawer. It is what it is. Let's drop the case on so we see what it looks like. All right, there's your case. I would say the best thing about this so far, facial unlock, super fast. Let's try that again. Fingerprint sensor, no problems. Anyway, this is the Umidigi Z2. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, 2 to beam up, me and Zerks.
Enterprise out.
Alright, white shoes, let's get up out of here. Energize.